Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to join the Expedia Group affiliate program. As you can see, we are right now on the website and your account with Expedia Group gives you access to the leading brands in travel. So Expedia, Hotels.com, VRBO, Stage, Abrital and Fuo Direct. So let's click on join now at the right corner at the top. So click on join now and we will go to step 1. So let's click on save. Type in your email address. So here we are, everything is filled in. So here you have two buttons. I acknowledge that I have reviewed the Expedia Group affiliate program, and I acknowledge that I've reviewed and accepted the part terms and conditions. So let's click on both and check them, because otherwise we cannot continue. So click on continue. So here we are at step 2. So you have to add the main site where the audience access your content. So for me, this is a YouTube channel. So click on fill in your URL. So I just did. And then the name of your business or site, let's call it Yuri Chen for now. So that's the name of my YouTube channel. And then add street and address. So now everything is filled in. I like to receive marketing emails from Expedia Group, including tips, advice, and access to exclusive promotions and deals. You could select it. I'm not going to select it, but you can submit even without selecting it if you want to. So click on submit. So here we are just waiting. They are reviewing my application right now, so I will come back to you when it's done. So here we are. Let's start sharing your links today. So here you have access. Grab the perfect link to share, get a booking and earn a coupon for 10% of your next adventure. So this is really easy how to get your commission. So let's go through the program. So start making links, get 50 clicks on your link and you hit your first booking. So let's see for now your performance. You can see here your bookings and commissions. I don't have it yet, so I cannot show you. You can create a link and here you have your dashboard. So the estimated commissions in your last day, and you can also do custom, books, product. There are a lot of things you can analyze if you want to. So here you have the payouts. So your payout date, transactions, etc. You can update your bank details if you want here. Here you have your link history if you want to create a link. And here you go. It's creating a toolbox. This is a new tool. So you can really easy go to Expedia. Let's do that for now. So here you go. You have like deals right here. So if we click on resorts, I'll show you, and click on this one for example, or even here, you can just get a link at the right top. You can customize your link like Yuri, create the tag, and here copy it, save it. Wait, I have to save it first. 1 2 3 for example, save. And now you can copy your code, and you can also see it right here if you want, I think. Let me see. So here you go. You have here your links, and you can copy them if you want to. So it's really easy to do. You can even build your own link if you want to. You can shorten your links. You can search for different widgets, so you can also place this on your website. So you can get the affiliate on your website in your code. And here you have some banners to promote if you want to. So this is really easy how to get your Expedia Group affiliate account, and a quick tutorial over the program. So that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.